This is the brief on enterprise data orchestration. So organizations keep falling into the two endpoint trap, spending millions on source systems that generate data, like ERPs, and the tools that consume it, like AI. But they completely ignore the messy middle. This creates a tangled web of integration spaghetti, which is exactly why so many expensive AI and compliance projects just totally fail. So how do we untangle this mess? First, we have to look at the missing layer, data orchestration. Now, you might be thinking, doesn't a data lake already solve this? Well, not really. Think of a data lake as just a giant storage locker. It relocates the mess, but it doesn't organize it. Data orchestration uses a canonical data model. It basically acts as a real-time universal translator, transforming chaotic data into one agreed-upon standard before it goes anywhere. Second, it validates before it distributes. Because the data is standardized upfront, the orchestration layer continuously checks for errors, missing fields, and compliance issues. Think of it as a strict bouncer at the door. Bad data gets stopped in its tracks before ruining your AI models or causing a massive compliance disaster downstream. Finally, it turns integrations into simple configuration. Since every tool reads from one central hub, you never have to build a bespoke connection from scratch again. Adding a new AI app or adjusting for tax loss just requires a simple routing tweak. Ultimately, a data orchestration layer sits directly between your source systems and your consuming tools, standardizing and validating your data in real time so your enterprise AI and analytics actually work. Without it, you don't really have a data strategy. You just have two expensive endpoints and a compounding problem.